How to easily unlink Faceit account to Steam. Now this option is not going to be visible on Steam if you will be using the software or even on the web version. So we will be doing this directly from Faceit. So just access your Faceit app or through their official site. And the next thing to do is ensure that you're completely logged into your account. Now this is going to be your homepage on Faceit if you're going to be using the web version. Now, next thing to do is just to click on your profile and then head directly to account settings. And here is going to be a bunch of options, but the settings that we're looking in is going to be on integrations. Now just simply click on that. And then under game platforms, Steam is going to be presented right there if you have linked your Faceit account to Steam. So on my case right here, it is not connected. Now, if you would like to unlink or disconnect it, just simply click on disconnect or unlink and it will automatically be disconnected. And that's basically it. That's how easy and quick you can unlink your Faceit account to Steam.